Skip this, and junior DevOps engineers are overtaking your career by effortlessly handling traffic spikes without breaking a sweat, while you're still trying to figure out how to automate your scaling. What it does: an application load balancer, ALB, is a critical component in handling traffic spikes without manual intervention. It distributes incoming traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, in multiple availability zones. This ensures that no single target is overwhelmed and becomes a single point of failure. The ALB works in conjunction with target groups and listeners to route traffic to the appropriate targets. Additionally, auto-scaling groups with scaling policies are used to dynamically adjust the number of targets based on traffic demand. Command example. Breaking it down. The AWS ELBv2 create load balancer command creates an application load balancer with the specified name, subnets, and security groups. The AWS ELBv2 create target group command creates a target group with the specified name, protocol, port, and VPC ID. The AWS ELBv2 create listener command creates a listener with the specified load balancer on, protocol, port, and default actions. The AWS autoscaling create autoscaling group command creates an autoscaling group with the specified name, launch configuration, minimum size, maximum size, and VPC zone identifier. The AWS autoscaling put scaling policy command creates a scaling policy with the specified name, autoscaling group name, policy type, adjustment type, scaling adjustment, and cooldown period. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the security groups for the application load balancer and the targets. This can result in the ALB not being able to communicate with the targets. Another common mistake is not setting the correct cooldown period for the scaling policy, which can result in the auto-scaling group scaling up and down too quickly. Try this next. To test the application load balancer and auto-scaling group, you can use a tool like Apache JMeter to simulate a large amount of traffic. You can then monitor the ALB and auto-scaling group using Amazon CloudWatch to see how they respond to the traffic. Pro tip: in a production environment, it's a good idea to use a combination of scaling policies, such as step scaling and scheduled scaling, to ensure that the auto-scaling group is properly scaled to meet traffic demand. Additionally, you should monitor the ALB and auto-scaling group closely to ensure that they are functioning as expected, and make adjustments as needed to ensure optimal performance.